Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show today. Today I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely pork meatball. I went to the shop today and I brought some nice, lovely pork mince. This is it right here. You can get that at any local shop, supermarket, even the big supermarket. You can go and look for pork mince. So basically today I want to make you some pork mince meatball, and hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. But we're gonna marinate it. First thing what we're gonna do is simple. Put on roughly half teaspoon of pork seasoning. Alright, that's the pork seasoning. Teaspoon of paprika. That's a teaspoon of paprika. Little bit of coarse pepper. And also I got some garlic and coriander. I'm gonna put half teaspoon. Pinch of everyday seasoning. Just a little pinch of the everyday seasoning. Then this is some garlic which I just cut up. 2 cloves of garlic. One large spoon of white onion. Let's put some more white onion and this is some thyme which I just cut up very finely. Thyme. That's some thyme, and this is some spring onion. Put a little bit more of the spring onion. Also inside of it. Nice one. So basically what you need to do, some people add breadcrumbs, some people add a little bit of stuff towards it, like carrot. Well, you don't need to add anything to this. To be honest, all you need to do is a simple give it a little mix like this. If you want to use a hand, you can use a hand and give it a mix. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my hand and give it a mix like this with my gloves on. This one. So this is some pork meatball, and hopefully guys will love it. So that's what you're gonna do with the pork mince. Alright, and basically you can get pork mince at any local shop, supermarket. There's so many people sell it. Let's put on another gloves. So first of all, what you're gonna do, take off a little piece and simple roll it in your hand like this, guys. Nice and lovely. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. So as I said, some people will put a little bit of breadcrumbs inside of it just to get it a little bit more harder, because so it can see so it's wet. Alright, but true, you can put some carrot to hold it, but it will be fine like this, to be honest, because I did it like that before. So this is what we're gonna do. And second thing, get a piece of greaseproof paper like this and put them in there like this. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do now, guys. So as you can see right here, this is the pork meatball right here. Basically I want to simply say to you, it's just probably about 8 ounces I bought, just to make you guys see you can make some pork meatball at home. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and you know what I mean, it's just amazing recipe. I got some extra season, I might just simply sprinkle it over it just like this, because this is just some extra season which I have left over. I just can simply sprinkle it and make it cook with it, give it a little flavor. So as you can see guys, that's just lovely and nice. That's just a little bit of extra season. So you can do this at home with the kids them, and you know they will love it. Give it a try. And we're gonna cook it in some tomato sauce also. So that's the way, or you can make yourself some nice lovely pork meatball at home. Enjoy the recipe. Then next thing, now we're gonna put it inside of the oven, gas mark 7 or 8 for 20 minutes. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for the same time, 20 minutes inside of the oven. So guys, just enjoy it as we put it inside of the oven now. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Just take them from the oven, guys, and look at this. Beautiful and nice. Well cooked the right and proper way. As you can see, both one of them I make you guys see how inside of them look. Wow. Man, look at this. Pork meat ball. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's taste this. Yeah. Really nice. And through me season it up, get a lot of flavor inside of it. But this is nice. I'm gonna cook it off in a sauce now and make you guys see. Anyway, put that to the side. This is the sauce I'm using at the moment. As you can see, tomato and basil pasta sauce. Alright? So basically, you can use it for your meat or you can use it for pasta, anything you want to use concerning pasta or meat. Beautiful sauce, and I love it. It tastes really nice. Now we're gonna cook off in the sauce now, alright? I'm gonna let the front one there. Basically, I'm gonna put it in like this. Really nice, seriously guys. Ah, this is beautiful, guys. I know you guys will love this recipe because then I'm gonna put some sauce above it like this. This nice and lovely, lovely sauce. Just a little bit of ketchup, not too much. If you like a lot more sauce, you can use 2 bottles. For me, I like it like this. Nice and beautiful. So what we're gonna do now, cover this for a nice good say 7 minutes and make it cook down, alright? And we're gonna share it out. Nice and lovely. So I just look at it and look at that. Beautiful and nice. Only thing I make my pork meatball a little bit too big. As you can see. Lovely and nice. Homemade pork meatball. Serve it spaghetti. Now we're gonna serve this because this is ready. As you can see, the heat which is coming out of it. I mean it ready. Alright? Let's share it out. Lovely, as you can see right here guys. This is it right here. Just put a little bit of cheese above it. A little bit of strong grated cheese on top of it. Really nice and easy and simple recipe. You can do this at home for the kids and everyone will be happy. Enjoy the recipe, leave your comments and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Pork meatball. Enjoy it.